We discuss element 1.3, who does what in the organization. So organization is made of the various type of a management level. We can go through that, the organization hierarchy, where in any organization you will find the three level of management. First level will be known as the top management. It may have this top management consists of the directors, managing directors, and the middle management. There will be the line managers, departmental managers, and there will be the lower management, in which include the supervisors and the foremen. So any organization, we need to understand their hierarchy, how the three level of management is functioning over there. We have a look now roles and responsibility of directors, like MD is like managing director, or CEO, chief executive officer. The we are not going to tell role of each everyone separate. In a safety field or in the terms of health and safety, the top management will have a common role toward the health and safety. We can have the whatever the roles and responsibilities are mentioned here. Director will be a part of the top management in any organization for making all decisions related to health and safety, till from the legal requirement till implementation and successful implementation and continuous improvement. The top management or directors must demonstrate clear commitment and the visible leadership with regard to health and safety. The top management or directors need to ensure that health and safety responsibilities are properly discharged. They ensure that they keep all the occupational health and safety management system are up to date. They keep all the adequate resources allocation, including 4M. What is the 4M? That will be related to the man, machine, material, money. We can add one methods statement or the safe working method also we can add to establish the implement and maintain the occupational health and safety management system. Further, the director or top management must carry out the annual review of the occupational health and safety performance. They ensure that they are the effective occupational health and safety management system for monitoring and reporting on the organization health and safety performance. The top management or director ensure that any significant health and safety failure and their investigation are communicated to them. They ensure that when decisions are made toward the health and safety implication are fully considered. They ensure that regular audits are carried out to check that effective health and safety risk management system are in place. The top management or directors, they hire one or more competent person. Competent person means they are having the knowledge, qualification, ability, trained, experience in terms of health and safety to assist the organization to meet out the requirement of occupational health and safety management system. We can summarize the role and responsibility of directors, managing directors, CEO, top management, or board of directors, like making all decision related to health and safety, clearly defined role and responsibility of each level of management, including top management, middle management, and the lower management. They demonstrate the clear commitment and visible leadership by actively participating into the safety audit and visiting at the workplace, ensuring the safety tours, safety inspection are happening. They ensure health and safety responsibility are properly discharged at the premises. They are keeping occupational health and safety management system up to date with the help of competent manpower. Adequate resource allocation they provide. They ensure to carry out annual review of occupational health and safety management system performance. They ensure effective occupational health and safety management system monitoring and reporting. Workers are aware of their responsibilities will be ensured by the top management. They ensure that significant health and safety failures and their investigation is carried out on time to prevent the reoccurrence of the accident. They ensure decision towards health and safety fully considered, like guarding on the machinery, provide the PPEs. They ensure the regular audits are carried out to ensure the effectiveness of their occupational health and safety management system. They hire the competent people or appointing the competent workers to ensure that all the works are carried out in a possible safest manner. How top management can demonstrate the commitment? So they will make resources in terms of forum, man, machine, material, and method also we can add to design the occupational health and safety management system. They ensure that they are helping to the middle level management and the lower level management and the workers to implement and maintain the occupational health and safety management system. They define the role and responsibility of each and everyone in the organization. They appointing the senior manager with specific responsibility for health and safety. They appoint competent people internally and externally, including the specialists, to help the organization and meet its health and safety obligation. And reviewing the health and safety performance annually, quarterly, or every month as per they decide their own company or the factory internal rules. We can see some question. uh, what way in which top management can demonstrate the commitment to health and safety in the workplace? The question can be asked the same type of responsibility in a different way. What are the health and safety roles and responsibility of senior management or director? From the previous slides, we can write the answer, like to carry out the annual audit by providing the adequate resources, by providing the competent manpower, by ensuring the health and safety management system is implemented, continuously it is improved, etc., etc. We can see one question like health and safety management system roles and responsibilities. Comment on the effectiveness of role and responsibility in relation to health and safety management in the supermarket. This question like 10 marks, and you should support your answer where applicable using relevant information from the scenario. So you can take the help of the slides and you can correlate with the scenario and you can ensure what are the responsibility have been fulfilled or not been fulfilled that can be written in this particular answer. Thank you.